In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Logitech M196 using Bluetooth with your iPad. So let's get started. Step number one, make sure a battery is inserted in the mouse. And then you're going to press the power button. I don't know if you see, but over here you should see a light. Let me press on it again. Okay, the light is there. If that light is blinking quickly, it means that the mouse is in Bluetooth setup mode. It's great. You don't have to do the next step I will show you. If the light is not blinking red, simply keep press the button until it's actually blinking. As you see, now it's blinking. I can release the button. It's in setup mode. Set the mouse aside. On the iPad itself, you're going to find the settings icon. Keep it pressed and select Bluetooth. Over here, you should see under other devices your M196. Click on it, select pair, and right away the mouse should work. As you see, I can use it. There's a few different settings you can change on your iPad. So if you go on the left side and you select accessibility, and then on the right side, you go down and select pointer control. Just over here, you see pointer control. You can change and increase the appearance of the mouse cursor, you see, the pointer size, the animation, and also the scrolling speed. Okay, if you want it to be quick or slow. This is about it. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to turn off your mouse once you finish using it to save batteries.